If 3 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 81, find 3 raised to 2x minus 1. So, ganito gagawin natin. 3 raised to x plus 1 is equals to 81. So, di ba yung 3 raised to x plus 1 equals siya sa 3 raised to x times 3 is equals to 81. Then, divide natin both sides by 3. Cancel. 3 raised to x is equals to 27. And 3 raised to x is equals to, ano ba yung 27? Di ba equals din yan sa 3 raised to 3. So, eto siya. X is equals to 3. So, itong x is equals to 3 na to, ilalagay natin doon. Doon sa loob nito. Ito. So, magiging 3 raised to 2x minus 1. Papasok natin yung x doon. So, magiging 3 raised to 2 times 3 minus 1. 3 raised to 6 minus 1. 3 raised to 5. Ganyan. And 3 raised to 5 is 243. Yun yung final answer.